Hello there, everyone. So, this reading is for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. So, I'm not taking yung mga cards na nagpa-pop up, and also I will not be reading reversals. So, I hope this reading will help you, get the insights and hopefully this reading will give you the clarity no, that you need right now. So we're going to peek in your past, present, and near future, and also what are the actions you need to take. So this is for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. All right. Page of Wands, King of Wands. So in the past, you could have a really passionate connection, with someone. But of course, hindi mawawala yung disappointment. Could be very patient, with this person or with this relationship. Right, Six of Wands, Eight of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and Five of Wands. So, I can see, na this relationship could have started really passionately. Okay, so this is not exactly what you've been looking for. Kumbaga, merong mga lacking dun sa relationship. But it was really passionate. The passion is there. No, you could see this person, whether it's a man or a woman. No, we're not uh we're not referring to any gender here, pero yung energy niya could be the King of Wands. Ibig sabihin, stable siya, no? Very passionate, and parang feeling mo merong sense of direction yung relationship because this person might be very decisive also, no? Kasi kings are stable, no? Kahit na hindi to King of Swords, this person could be very decisive when it comes to your relationship. And nakita natin sa reading yung Four of Cups, which could mean na parang meron ka pang hinahanap dun sa relationship. And uh, of course, hindi naman perfect lahat ng aspect ng isang relationship. But then, you are searching for something here, no? And you've been very patient, no? Pero somehow, parang you feel trapped, no? Very passionate, no? Passionate relationship, but then somehow, merong feelings of entrapment. And with the Six of Wands, kasi Six of Wands is success, no? I could sense na hindi naman totally, say, toxic yung relationship. Kasi very, very passionate. And passionate relationships could often, not all naman, but most relationships that started really passionately, uh, end up being very toxic, no, at the end. Kasi parang nagka-clash yung energies ninyo. But then, in this relationship, it's not necessarily the case, no? Kumbaga, merong mga aspects na hindi perfect, just like in any relationship. But then, this aspect, no, etong tinitignan mo na 'to, 'no, could be very valuable to you na puwedeng hindi ma-reciprocate, 'no, ng ng partner mo. Could see this in the Six of Pentacles, 'no, merong imbalance dun sa relationship. Although you've been very patient about it. And with the Eight of Cups, I could see na you could be walking away, or at least you're planning to walk away in this relationship. Kasi Eight of Cups, this cups, no, na iniwan netong guy dito sa Eight of Cups. This cups, no, has been or have been fulfilling for him once, no. But then hindi niya na nakukuha yung fulfillment sa mga cups na to. That's why he's walking away, no. So this card could mean, no, that you're not settling for less. Merong something valuable dito sa relationship na to na talagang hinahanap mo dun sa other person. Pero unfortunately, parang hindi mo siya makita, and parang everything always uh, ends up with conflict, no? Or the other way to interpret this card is that you feel like you are competing with not necessarily other people, no, but you could be competing with this person's attention. For example, marami silang ginagawa, no, sa buhay. Marami silang priorities, and you feel like your relationship, no, is not being prioritized by this person, no. Or of course, ina-assume natin na partner nyo to, no, if you're looking uh, at your relationship, no. So this is your significant other. Now, I wanted to know, no, what are the actions that you need to take in order to address this whole problem. All right, what does Pisces need to do? What actions does Pisces need to take? All right. So, Ace of Swords, the Empress, and the Seven of Swords. Ace of Swords could be enlightenment, no? Parang this could be your aha moment, no? Na you could be uh really thinking about this relationship, no? You're really thinking about your problems, no? Or sabi nga natin, yung something missing sa relationship ninyo, parang ino-overthink mo na siya. But with the with the Ace of Swords, no, parang I believe, no, one of these days I could sense, no, maaaring magkaroon ka ng aha moment, no? Parang enlightenment, moment of enlightenment. And makikita mo yung kinakailangan mong gawin. I could really sense that with the Ace of Swords. And the Empress, you could be really just standing around, loving yourself, no, at this moment. Or in the present, sorry. In the present, para kasing medyo nasa entrapment ka pa eh. Yung feelings of being trapped, not knowing what to do, no? Not knowing what steps to take. Pero in the future, I can feel na ma-center lang yung attention mo sa sarili mo, no? The Empress. And with the Seven of Swords kasi, you could be planning, no, on how to strategically, take steps into resolving the relationship. Okay. Actually, Seven of Swords is a positive card. No, it means strategies, but some readers read this card as a uh, parang deception. No? Some would read this na parang merong deceptive energy dun sa relationship, but that's not how I see it. And this card just uh, encourages you, no, to really be strategic with your relationship, no. Ano ba yung mga sa tingin mo kailangan gawin para ma-resolve itong relationship na to? Do you really need to walk away? Pero I could really see na ano, hindi ka magse-settle for this relationship if ever, no, na meron mang mga let's say pagkukulang yung partner mo. Kasi passion is not enough. You could be really attracted to this person, pero if you are not fulfilled with the relationship, if you often end up being disappointed with this person, no? I could see you walking away, not settling for less. Kasi ayun yung ini-embody ng the Empress eh. So, right now, we're gonna look at the outcome naman. What is the most likely outcome of this relationship? The Tower. So, the tower kasi, ibig sabihin, hindi ganon ka lalim, no, yung foundation, or hindi ganon ka na stable yung naging foundation ng inyong relationship. Hence, it could be falling down, no. The Tower. Ibig sabihin, yung sinasabi ko nga kanina, that passion isn't enough, no? That could be the only thing that sustain the relationship, but then it wasn't giving enough for you. You're not being fulfilled by that passion. That's why nauwi siya sa tower. Kasi sa tower, ibig sabihin lang yan, maganda yung foundation. Kaya, yung mga tao sa loob ng tower, they were surprised, no, by the upheaval. So, you could be, I'm not saying, no, na that this will happen or this is guaranteed, pero you and yourself, you could sense if something is about to happen, no. And if you don't take action, kasi we're looking for the outcome. If you don't take action, if you don't address the problem, it would likely end up being a tower moment for you, for both of you. Kasi usually yan yung mga problems, no, na binabrush off lang natin, hindi natin pinapansin hanggang sa lumaki siya ng lumaki. What else? What else do we have for Pisces? What will be the likely outcome for this relationship? Or what will be the likely outcome if Pisces took action in this relationship? Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups, very nurturing energy, no? And parang nasa sense ko, this is connected with the Empress eh. I could feel na in the future could be focusing on yourself, no? Loving yourself. What else? The Sun. Now, the Sun is the most positive card in the tarot. The outcome, no, will be the Sun. So, eto na kasi yung last card na I'm planning to draw for you, and you got the Sun. No, that's a really positive card. That could mean success, no, and happiness, fulfillment. So, I could just sense na itong cards na to, the Queen of Cups, the Sun, the Empress, this is the result, no? The Sun is the result of focusing on yourself, of loving yourself. Again, if you are not being fulfilled, no, with the relationship, and if you have tried multiple times to address the problem, and yet the other person, no, is not cooperating, no, marami siyang problems outside of the relationship, and that you can really prioritize the relationship, then if it's time to walk away, it will be your call, no? That would be your choice. But again, no, loving yourself, focusing on yourself, giving yourself, no, the nurturing, the nurturing you need, you can never go wrong kasi the outcome will be the Sun, no? So that's what I have for you, Pisces. Thank you so much.